Join body to put full stop for community and alert Palava. Obaseki na yarn this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don receive the new Assistant Inspector General of Police Zone 5 for Command Headquarters Benin, AIG Lawan Tanko Jimeta for Government House Benin City on Wednesday. He con tok say he happy to welcome the new AIG unto say na person wey sabi the area. He con yarn the AIG the kilikili wey dey shele for communities and land katakata wey don rise wella for the state.
You heard him, he said this is home, because this is truly home. Part of this security architecture we have in Edo today was this jointly designed with him and the former IGP. So he is very conversant with the security issues in Edo. He's also very passionate about security matters in the state. So we are very glad and happy to come back, for you to come back home. Like I said, there's nothing new, you don't, but we don't know about the security here. But so that's why I'm excited that you're back, and that the lingering issues we need to deal with, you will help us put a foot down. Since you left, the issues of community clashes and land disputes have increased astronomically. And you know, when you were CP here, how they used to avoid, these people will avoid the matters coming into command, and they will take it to Zone 5. Now they're going to bring it back to you there, and I'm sure you will send it back to the command, let them go and deal with it. And the committee we set up at that time, the Private Property Protection Committee, is now in force. I hope you will contribute one of your senior officers to that committee so that they can also help us watch and make sure, because the boys have gone out of control, they're totally out of control with what they do on other people's lands. The other lingering issue that you have to deal with were some of our border issues, particularly on the Delta border. You know, we have the longest stretch of borders with Delta, where communities just come, particularly in the Urunigwe axis, Orion has been. We've been having the same issues with our brothers across the boundary. We'll need you, because you know these areas very well and you know what the issues are, to work with us so that we can bring calm into those communities in the area. You were the tick of some of the former elders clashes when we were CP, so there's nothing new. I can tell you some of those issues will still reoccur from time to time, but with you now and with the vigilante system we have put in place, we believe that it will help us put some end to some of these issues. From our support, from our side as government, we have no choice but to support you. And whatever we can do, the door is open. The number hasn't changed. This is how you need to do. You just give me a call or send a text as usual and say, okay, this and this and these are the things, and we will be there for you. The security situation in our state has been relatively calm. I cannot thank the police enough, for what they have done in helping us restore calm and normalcy to the security in Edo State. As you know, we are rebuilding some of the police stations that were damaged during the NSAS riots. We're also trying to work with you to reinforce and rebuild the relationships with the various communities. The unfortunate incident in Uromi, we are addressing. We want to thank the IG for accepting to help us deploy some more APCs to the state so that we can combat such occurrence in future. And we can go on and on and on to just say thank you to so many things and support that we keep receiving from you. And like I said, we are lucky to have you. There's nothing about security in Edo that you are not aware of and you do not know about. So just as you are happy that you are here, I now feel extra protected. I have no problems, especially as we are heading towards elections, and you will be here to give the necessary support. We also pray that God will bless your tenure here as He did last month, and only good things that should come your way as the IG in this area.
Jimeta come tok say he dey happy to come back for the state, say him first be commissioner of police for Edo State. He come promise say he go collaborate with government to make sure say peace dey for Edo.
My purpose here, sir, is just to say I'm coming back home, and I have come. I am in your hands, and to tell you that I am very happy to be back again, and also to reassure you of the commitment of the Nigerian police to the security and well-being of the citizens of the Zone 5, both Edo and Delta State, which I'm in charge of. But being based in my hometown, I surely be biased to be here and to give more to you. And I want to sincerely appreciate you. When I was here as the CP, this place was under renovation. I remember the first COVID-19 meeting, inauguration of the team was done here. But after that, this whole area was closed, and in my mind, I was saying, we are being upgraded. So I'm very happy to be here in an upgraded government house, and also to tell you that sincerely I feel at home, and to reassure you once again of my commitment to security in Edo State. Finally, sir, some of the things we already know, we've already been discussing all this while, and some of these things are to be discussed over time. But permit me to say that the police will need more support from you, as you have been doing always. We'll still come back to you and ask for more, like Oliver Twist. But me, I will be comfortable asking for more because I am at home. I know that whenever I drive back home, I will get what I want by the special grace of God. I am not an imam or a priest, but you've told me how to pray when I was here. So I've been praying, and I cannot end this my short speech without praying by saying that may God in His infinite mercy give you more wisdom, more strength, good health to steer the affairs of Edo State.
Oga Governor come hail the police wey dem take dey help maintain peace, come promise to continue to help give them ogbonge backup. The ogbonge people wey carry waka come the courtesy visit na Permanent Secretary Cabinet Usagi Uyi Asemuta, Commissioner for Information and Orientation Andrew Mwata, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, Assistant Inspector General of Police Zone 5 Benin Lawan Jimeta, and Deputy Commissioner for Police, Finance and Administration Zone 5 Benin Betty Otimeyi. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.